Get ready. E minor, 5, 6, 7, E minor. C, G, D. Back to E minor, and we go. C, G, D. Chorus, C chord, and we go. 3 times C chord. 1, 2, 3. Up to D, E minor, B minor. Again, chorus, C chord, go. 3 times C. 1, 2, 3. Up to D, E minor, B minor. Back to verse, E minor. C, G, D. Again, E minor, C, G, D. Let's go. Chorus, C chord. 3 times C. 1, 2, 3. Up to D, E minor, B minor. Again, chorus, C chord. 3 times C. 1, 2, 3. Up to D, E minor, B minor. Let's go bridge and C chord. Same thing. 3 times C. 2, 3. Up to D, E minor, B minor. Back to C again and go. 3 times C. 1, 2, 3. Up to D, E minor. Get ready. B minor. Again, C chord, go. 3 times C. 1, 2, 3. Up to D and E minor. Down to B minor. One last time, bridge, C chord. 3 times C. 1, 2, 3. Up to D, E minor. Get ready, B minor. Let's go back, chorus, but we hold. 2, 3. Hold on C. 1, 2. One time D and E minor, hold. 2, 3. For B minor, hold again. Hold, and C. D to E minor, hold. B minor, hold. Rhythm, let's go. C. 3 times C. 1, 2, 3. Up to D, E minor. Down to B minor. One last time, chorus, C chord. 3 times C. 1, 2, 3. Up to D, E minor, B minor. Let's go bridge, same chords, and we go. C. C 3 times. 1, 2, 3. D, E minor. Down to B minor. One last cycle to C. 3 times C. 1, 2, 3. Up to D and E minor, B minor. We're gonna end on C. Hold one time, hold. That's all. Well done. Hey there friends, I hope you find this tutorial helpful and thank you for jamming with me over here. Now if you've got a song that you would love to learn, drop me a suggestion in the comments below and I will do my best to create a tutorial for you. Thank you once again for rocking out with me. Now don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more piano tutorials over here. Until next time, stay musical and keep on jamming.